Fractions. In this video you are going to learn addition of fractions. To add fractions, we have to follow 3 steps. First of all, is to make sure the bottom numbers or the denominators are the same. Secondly, we can add the top numbers or the numerators and write the answer over the denominator. The third step is to simplify the fraction if needed. The top number of a fraction is numerator, and the bottom number is known as denominator. Next, let us see some examples. First question is 3/5 plus 1/5. To add these fractions, first, we have to check the denominators. See, the denominators are the same, so we can add the numerator. 3 plus 1 is 4, and the denominator is 5. So, the answer is 4/5. One important thing to keep in mind: never adds the denominators when adding fractions. Next question is 3/7 plus 2/7. This also the denominators are the same, so simply add the numerators. 3 plus 2 is 5, and the denominator is 7. So, the answer is 5/7. One more question for you. The question is 1/6 plus 1/6. The denominators are the same, so just add the numerators. 1 plus 1 is 2, and the denominator is 6. So, the answer is 2/6. In this case, the answer 2/6 can be simplified, since the numerator 2 and the denominator 6 can be divided by 2. While simplifying a fraction, we have to use the highest number or the greatest common factor that divides evenly both the numerator and the denominator. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So the answer is 1/3. Now, you have learned to add the fractions which has the same denominators. Next, you are going to learn to add the fractions with unlike denominators. First, question is 1/4 plus 1/3. You can see the denominators are not the same. So to add 1/4 and 1/3, we have to find the least common multiples of 4 and 3 to make the denominators are the same. The multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16. And the multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Now, the common least multiple is 12. So you have to make the denominators of both fractions 12. To make the denominator 12 of 1/4, you have to multiply the numerator and the denominator by 3. Next, to make the denominator 12 of 1/3, you have to multiply the numerator and the denominator by 4. Where you multiply the denominator of a fraction by a particular number, then you have to multiply the numerator also by the same number. Otherwise the value of the fraction will be varied. So, 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 4 is 12. Then 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. Now, you have to add 3/12 and 4/12. Since the denominators are the same, you can just add the numerators. 3 plus 4 is 7. And the denominator is 12. So, the answer is 7/12. Now, you have learned to add fractions with unlike denominators. Then let us see another easy way to add fractions. First, I repeat the same question. 1/4 plus 1/3. Now you have to cross-multiply the numerator and the denominator. First, multiply the numerator 1 of the first fraction by the denominator 3 of the second fraction. Then put the plus. Next, multiply the numerator 1 of the second fraction by the denominator 4 of the first fraction. Then, multiply two denominators, 4 and 3. 3 times 1 is 3. Then put the plus. 4 times 1 is 4. Next, 3 times 4 is 12. 3 plus 4 is 7. So, you get the answer 7/12. Now, check the two answers. Both answers are the same. I think the second method is easier than the first. So let us see two more examples. First example is 3/4 plus 1/6. See, the denominators are not the same. So, to add 3/4 plus 1/6. First, you have to multiply 3 by 6. Put the plus. Next, you have to multiply 1 by 4. Then, multiply the denominators. 4 by 6. 6 times 3 is 18. 4 times 1 is 4. 6 times 4 is 24. 18 plus 4 is 22. And the denominator is 24. So the answer is 22/24. Next, you have to simplify the fraction 22/24. Since the fraction 22/24 can be divided by 2. 22 divided by 2 is 11. 24 divided by 2 is 12. So the answer of 3/4 plus 1/6 is 11/12. Second example is 5/6 plus 2/3. See, the denominators are not the same. So first multiply 5 by 3 diagonally. Then multiply 2 by 6 diagonally. Next, multiply the denominators 6 by 3. 3 times 5 is 15. 6 times 2 is 12. And 3 times 6 is 18. Now, you have to add 15 and 12 to get the numerator. 15 plus 12 is 27 and the denominator is 18. So, the answer is 27/18. 27/18 is an improper fraction. If a fraction has a numerator greater than its denominator, known as improper fraction. And this improper fraction can be simplified as mixed number. First, let us simplify 27/18 to a smaller fraction. Since 27 and 18 can be divided by 9. 27 divided by 9 is 3. 18 divided by 9 is 2. Now 27/18 simplified to 3/2. To simplify this improper fraction to a mixed number, you have to divide the numerator 3 by the denominator 2. 2 one time goes in 3. So, write the 1. And 1 time 2 is 2. Now, you have to subtract 2 from 3. Subtracting 2 from 3, you get 1 as the remainder. Now, you have to first, write the whole number answer 1. Next, write the denominator 2. And write the remainder 1 as the numerator over 2. So the answer of 5/6 plus 2/3 is 1/1/2. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe my videos. Thank you for watching.